Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Microsoft Teams on Chromebook. Pro tips step by step clearly. Start by powering on your Chromebook. Make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. Open the Chrome browser on your Chromebook. In the address bar, type in teams.microsoft.com and press enter. Sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, you will see the Microsoft Teams interface. Familiarize yourself with the layout, including the sidebar and chat area. To create a new team, click on the Join or Create a Team button. Select Create a Team and follow the prompts to set it up. To join an existing team, use the Join a Team with a code option. Enter the team code provided by your colleague or administrator. Navigate to the chat section by clicking on the chat icon. To start a new chat, click on the pencil icon and select a contact. Type your message in the text box and hit enter to send. For video calls, click on the Calendar tab to schedule a meeting. Select New Meeting and fill in the necessary details. To join a scheduled meeting, click on the meeting link at the specified time. During a meeting, you can use the microphone and camera icons to toggle them on or off. Utilize the Share button to present your screen if needed. To access files, go to the Files tab in the sidebar. Here you can upload documents or access shared files from your team. For notifications, click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Customize your notification preferences to stay updated. Explore the different apps and integrations available on Microsoft Teams. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find people or files. Remember to regularly check team updates for important announcements. Make use of keyboard shortcuts for faster navigation. To log out, click on your profile picture and select Sign Out. Close the browser tab when you are finished using Microsoft Teams. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.